Check this out. Ambience YouTube videos are some of the easiest videos to make as a beginner YouTuber. And if you do it right, you can bring in thousands or possibly over 1 million subscribers with very little effort compared to other niches. Today, we are going to use Clipchamp to put together a short thunderstorm video that you can easily scale to the size video you would like to produce. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure you're taking detailed notes and post your questions in the comments section below. With that said, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get future videos as they come out. Alright, let's jump into it. The first thing you're going to do is open Clipchamp on your PC. It will open up ready to produce a new video. From the top, you're going to select Create New Video. Now we're going to get our content for the project. On the left-hand side, we're going to select Content Library. Since this is going to be a thunderstorm video, I'm going to type thunderstorm in the search box. You can see it displays different options for content. We're going to select video first to get our visual content. Notice that I grabbed and dragged the video displayed onto the timeline, but you can also hit the See All link just above it to display other options for videos. This clip here is just 19 seconds long, and it basically just provides the lightning flashes. So now we'll get the audio we need, and we'll start with the thunder. So for that, we'll select See All from the sound effects section. I'll select this long rumbling thunderstorm and drag it onto the audio timeline. After it loads, we're going to trim the audio clip to match the video timeline. You do this by moving the video marker to where you want to clip, then right-click on your audio clip and select Split. This will split the audio file at that spot. You can then delete the other half of the clip. Now let's see how that looks and sounds. You can just drag the timeline marker to the very beginning and hit play. Okay, that wasn't too bad to start. Because I don't like the quiet space at the beginning of the audio file, I'm going to trim that back by grabbing the beginning of the clip and dragging it right. Then I'm going to drag the leading edge of the audio clip to the 1-minute mark. The cool thing about most video editing software is it allows you to split the clip and then drag that leading edge of the split clip to add as much of the clip back into it as you would like. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. From there, we're going to duplicate the video clips to match the 1 minute of audio. I do that by selecting the clip and using the Copy-Paste Windows function. You can also right-click on the clip and select Copy and Paste as well. When you've reached past the 1 minute mark, go ahead and drag that leading edge of the clip back to match the audio clip. Alright, that sounds good. Now, let's go ahead and add the soothing sound of rain to go along with it. Let's try this one. Not bad. I'm looking for something more splattering. Okay, this'll work. Let's grab that and drop it onto the timeline. We'll split that and shorten it up to match the rest of our audio. Just like before, delete the right half and select the leading edge to drag back the new clip to match the length of everything else. Now we'll play that all together. Alright, I think overall that sounds pretty good. You know what? It seems a little quiet for a thunderstorm. Let's add some more thunder. So what we'll do is copy and paste the thunder section. You can see the heightened waveforms indicating the thunderbursts. This area seems a bit quiet. We'll put one here. All right, good. Let's see how that does. Okay, that sounds pretty authentic to me. Let's move on. At this point, we have lightning, we've got thunder. We have the sound of rain, but we are missing something. Any ideas? If you said, we're missing the visual rain content, you were spot on. So that will be our next task. Again, we're going to use the search bar in our content library. From there, I'll type rain. Now let's see. Let's find a good steady rain video. That looks like it will work. Let's go ahead and grab that and drop it onto the timeline. We'll put it over here and test it without anything else. Yep, that's just what we need. I'll go over here and grab the rain audio and copy that to test it out. We'll just test it along with the rain audio to make sure everything looks and sounds right. Yep, that'll work. We'll get rid of that test audio and we'll drag the rain video above the lightning. Right now, both of these clips are independent of one another. And since I have the rain clip on top, it shows until the clip is finished, as it does here. But that isn't what we want. What we really want is the rain, darkness, and lightning to all come together. So what we can do is adjust the colors feature of the clip. Take the transparency slider and move it toward the middle until you get the right amount of darkness and lightning to come through. How's that? I feel like it gives that middle-of-the-night darkness with the rain catching the light from the lightning. But again, I can't stress enough. Make some tweaks and make this your own. Now, once you've set the transparency to where you like it, we're going to copy and paste that clip to fill the rest of the timeline. Now, you can make adjustments to each clip and make the rain show through more in some cases, or maybe you want a bit brighter lightning. Now let's play that through. Sounds and looks pretty good, but let's add a bit more thunder to it. I'll copy this clip, and then I'll paste it over here to give a little more rumble. You can hear the thunder, but it is faint and distant. So we're going to make some adjustments for that. So let's select the clip, then go to the top right for the audio settings. On this one, let's adjust the volume to make this thunder crack a little louder. Okay, let's try that out. That works. Now that we've got all of these elements set, we just need to add a few things. How about we add some text for the beginning of the video? There are plenty of options to use here. For now, we will use the creator style and drag that onto the timeline. We'll give the video an intro title that will fade out within 5 seconds. Let's call it Midnight Rainfall. You can make it whatever you want. You can also change the font. Creator defaults to the Luckiest Guy font. Let's change the size of the font. How about 20? 20 is a bit small. Let's go with something bigger. Yeah, I think that'll work. All right, now, let's take the text and shift it up to the top. Perfect. Now let's set the text to fade out within a half second of the end of the clip. That makes it nice and smooth into the darkness. Now let's see how that works. Yep, you see how the words slowly fade out right around 4.5 seconds. The final thing to do is export your video clip. If you want to just run a test export, you can select the 480p resolution option. Otherwise, use 1080 or 4K if you have 4K media. Also, it's best to name it in the upper left corner before you export, otherwise it will be exported as untitled. When it's finished, be sure to watch it before uploading to YouTube. After you export, you can create a new video and basically duplicate the exported clip as many times as you want. The more times you duplicate it, the longer the video. Of course, you can tailor it as you see fit. Here I'm splitting the clip so that the title is not included in what I duplicate. Then, again, I just copy and paste as many times as I want to get to the desired length. In this case, I've got it at about 18 minutes. Export it once more, and you're good to go. Oh, and make sure you watch it through before uploading it to YouTube. Well, it's going to wrap it up for us at Faceless Freedom. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and come back for more Faceless YouTube tutorials. Until next time.